How to shut down your Windows device using your keyboard. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can shut down your Windows device with using just your shortcut keys. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So in this video, I'll show you guys two ways. The first is you'll need to type in your Windows plus X. So after you type in your Windows X, this pop-up should come here. Now to shut down, you'll simply need to type in U. After you type in U, you will see again different options. Now for shutdown, you will need to tap U again. After you do that, your Windows device will shut down. So that was the first way. The second way is by simply using your device's shortcuts. What you can do is you can press Ctrl Alt plus Delete. Now these are the keys, Ctrl Alt plus Delete. Press them all together and then you will be able to shut down your device. And yeah, that is how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.